Hey everyone, welcome back to the another exciting session by Fabrics Lab, Tanishk here. And in this video, we will be having a detailed comparison between GitHub's Copilot and Fabrics Lab's Oasis AI. So without wasting any further time, let's dive to the computer screen now. So let's first start with the Copilot, and here we will be testing out the agent modes that both AI agents provide us. So for the Copilot, it is code base. So what it says is code base is a variable for Copilot that directs the AI to search your entire workspace to find and add relevant context to your query. So what it means is when you query using a code base, then you will be like talking to your complete project, not your single file. Okay, so by including code base in your prompt, you signal to the Copilot that your question relates to the entire project, not just the file you are currently editing. Okay, so in the more advanced modes like agent mode, the code base can provide context to a specialized AI agent. Okay, so we will be keeping like AI agent mode to be on. And what the test I will be doing is, currently my web application is facing this issue. Let's see if Copilot helps us to figure it out and solve it. So here I am in the VS Code, and let me first go to the agent mode as it was said here. So now agent mode, and let's switch on to the code base, and here let me give, there is some issue I am facing, uh, fix it. So let me copy it so that I could give it to Oasis also afterwards, and hit enter. Till then, let me paste it in my notepad. Okay, so now let's wait for the Copilot what it gives us. So it is searching and it got some 31 results. I'll help you investigate and fix the issues in your code base, but I need more specific information about the problem you are getting. Okay, so I think Copilot is not able to get my particular issue, but as it is said here, it can go through your complete project and the code base, then it should be able to do, I think, this much, because the issue is there in the terminal as well, right? So I guess it has gone through my chat bot. Okay, env files, but no, it has not figured out the issue. So if I give the single file context to the Copilot, then I think it will be able to solve the issue. Let me add the single file context, not from here. Let me go to the footer, and now my footer is here and this is added. Let me remove from here, and now uh, let me give, there is issue, fix it for me. Let's see. Now I have given this single file to it. I noticed there's a syntax issue and in the footer file. Now Copilot is like working and it has fixed my issue. Now I can keep or I can undo it. So let me undo it so that we can test it with Oasis also, how Oasis can help us out with this one. So let me undo it here. But as you all have seen, Copilot works best with when you provide single file context to it, not the complete project. Okay, so now let's move towards Oasis now, how it can help us. So let's see. So my Oasis extension is here up and running, and let me first cut this footer from here. And now to the Oasis we need to provide the context by just clicking the project that we need to work with. So click it here, and now Oasis has the context for this one. And now let's go to the Palm tab. Here from the modes, choose the code sweep mode. As in the Copilot we had code base, right? Now let's go to the notepad and copy it, and copy the prompt that we used with the Copilot and paste it here. This same prompt didn't work with the Copilot. Let's see if it works with Oasis, and hit enter. And let's wait now for the Oasis reply and see if it figures out the issue. So what Oasis does is, it goes through the terminal and finds the error. If it is there, then it goes through the project files and find out the relevant files for us. So here the reply is, we got. So Oasis predicted the issue is with the footer, and if we scroll down we also got the button, yes, we need to proceed with the fix, and let's fix it. So let's see, Oasis has almost correctly predict it is a JSX syntax issue. So let's see if Oasis like fix the issue. So let's wait for the Oasis code that we get from the Oasis. So I think this is much more efficient and much more helpful to the developers. If AI agent can find the actual issue with just a single simple prompt like this, no file context has given, nothing. So yes, we have got the code as well. So now let me go to the footer, and okay, so the code is here, complete code, and let's copy it and paste it here, and then we will go to the UI, reload it, and let's see if the issue is fixed or not. So yes, wow, the issue is fixed here, and you can see the footer. So yes, I guess this is much more efficient. Okay, so I clicked on the about, and this page is not been built yet. So let's move further, and now we will be testing out the project generation on Copilot and Oasis both. Here let's start with the Copilot first, and for building a project I have already selected the agent mode, and I'm thinking to build a SaaS application where user can upload the image and can add blur effects, glass morphism, and can add some of the color layout, meaning can edit the image. Okay, so let's give the prompt. Let's build a SaaS application that allows user to upload or even drag and drop the image, and then user can have blur effects, glass morphism effects, and some color theme changing effects, meaning a beautiful application that allows user to edit image. Okay, so let me copy this prompt as well for the Oasis one, and let's send it. So let's see what Copilot builds for us. So it is currently working here. I'll help you to create SaaS application. Open. Okay, so Copilot does this in empty folder, so we need to create an empty folder here. So let's go to the desktop, and let me select the new folder, which is Copilot pilot generation. Okay, so select my empty folder. Yes, so now it is opened in my new empty folder. So let's see, and let me run on it. Let's see. So we will wait till Copilot executes this completely, and we'll see what Copilot builds for us. Copilot is almost ready. It is saying continue workspace. Okay, okay, it is setting up the new workspace. Okay, so yes, we need in Next.js. Continue. So it is building our application in Next and TypeScript, and that's what Oasis does. It also builds application in Next.js, but Oasis do not ask all these questions. Okay, so yes, here the project folder structure we got. Let's wait what Oasis. So Copilot is still writing my code, and let's see what it gives us. Let's start the development server. Okay, so I think it has completed and given me the command continue. Okay, so this is good. It started the development server itself. Where is the link? What happened? Okay, so it is running here. Let's see what Copilot has built for us. So page is loading. It is still loading. Okay, the application is okay. So I think we got an issue over here. Something is having an issue. So fail to read the resource code. Users stream did not contain UTF. So there is some issue with the generated code, and it is not able to read the some kind of file. Let me see what is the file. Okay, global.css it made, layout it made, page.tsx it made. Then there is some issue I guess in the page. Let me keep it and keep it also, and now see again there is some issue with the generated code. So I need to see this code thoroughly, and then I guess I can fix the issue. So let's see how Oasis helps us out with this prompt. Now here the Oasis extension is running, and let's go to the Palm tab. From here we need to go to the sidebar and select the Next.js from here. So now let's give the name for the project, pick editor, and from the notepad let's copy it, the prompt that we used with the Copilot, but Copilot didn't give the project as expected. Now let's test out with Oasis. So I've pasted this. and yes, I want it in TypeScript and submit it. So now now Oasis will start the project generation. Let's wait what Oasis gives us. So yes, the project generation has been started. Building your Next.js project, pick editor, analyzing your requirements. So Oasis is now analyzing the requirements what the user has asked in the prompt. So let Oasis complete it. Uh, then we will see what happens, how Oasis executes our prompt, and is Oasis able to give the project as the user requires. Let's see. So here Oasis is currently crafting our components. So let's see what the components Oasis builds for us and what the project Oasis builds for us. Let's wait. Yes, the project is here. So we just need to click this, and Oasis will inject the project to the workspace directly, and in the terminal Oasis would run the commands npm install for installing it and npm run dev after the installs are completed. So let's wait for that moment. So npm run dev automatically ran here, and let's see what Oasis has built for us. Let's wait for the project to get started. Let's go through the terminal. So it is running currently. Let's wait. Okay. So yes, see, we got the UI, and the name is also good, Pixel Forge. So the nav bar is good, and the footer is also good, Pixel Forge, about, contact, privacy, terms, everything it has given to us. Let's check the functionality. Is the product working as well? UI is good. Let's see the functionality now. So yes, I am coming here, and okay, so yes, I am able to select the image, and UI is looking good right now. Okay, so let me blur it somewhat. Yes, so it is getting blurred, and let me add this one. Okay, let me add dark theme. Okay, nice. So see, dark theme is also added, and let me try to download it now. Am I able to download? Oh yes, see how I am able to download this nicely. And let's open it. Is the image downloaded in? Yes, it is downloaded in the correct way what we did. So I think this is very much nice, as with just a single this prompt you are getting a complete SaaS application that you can even earn money with, right? So you just need to use the uh, AI agents very precisely with your prompts, and you need to first know by yourself what uh, you need to build with them. Okay, so I think this is a very nice, great product and a great UI. So as the last part of this video, let's also go through the pricing model for Oasis AI and Copilot both. So Oasis AI and Copilot, the free tier offers for the Oasis AI, it offers 30 to 50 chat prompts daily, and on the other hand, Copilot offers 50 chats requests per month. So Oasis is like far better in this condition. Oasis provides 1 to 2 full project generations, and Copilot provides 2000 completions per month. So I think in the free tier, this one 30 to 50 chat prompts from Oasis is much better, and in this case also it depends on how user usage. So if user is giving the complete project analysis and working on the complete context awareness, in that case it can be shortened up to 10 or 15 prompts for that day. So it also depends on how user is using it. Now if we go further, so the context aware chatbot for the OSs that we have seen, it is better than the Copilot. As Copilot, we need to give the context awareness with that particular file, but with the OSs, it can automatically detect the issues and the file which is having the issue. Oasis also has customizable AI behavior, okay, and Oasis also provides top-ups so that user at the free tier can uh, also see the benefits that he gets in the pro tier without going towards pro tier as the first step. So now moving towards the pro plan. So the pro plan of Oasis is 749, which is almost around $9, and on the other hand for the Copilot it is $10, and Copilot doesn't offer. Oasis lets you add whenever you want the extra tokens we are talking about. But the great thing in Copilot is giving access to multi models, which Oasis is not giving as of now, but Oasis will also add these in future. So I think that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So stay tuned for more updates on Oasis AI. Happy coding.